Okay. It's called swag farting. The new shit. Better known to the next meal. All that shit. Get ready. Oh, okay. I had some beans in my burrito, a sandwich that's from Squeedo, my ass tighter than a needle. I feel like I'm shitting Beatles, bitch. I got to fart. It hurts my heart. My face is starting to turn yellow like I'm Sinbert. I'm the gassiest thing. Fuck the planet Saturn. And when I let it out, it looks like I'm the Green Lantern. My ass is foul. Take 3 pros now. I'm like a colony cow. Blow fans at me right now. I gotta take a shit, nigga. Clog your toilet, nigga. What's the matter with my bladder and my shit? Piss, nigga. Small intestines, nigga. Smell the stench in your nose. Almost vomit, nigga. Ass is on it, nigga. I shouldn't have ate that pizza. Now I got diarrhea. Once I feel I got the runs, it's just like later, dog. I'll see ya. And my fart will sound like thunder. All that gas is a wonder. Now I'm going to the store to buy some new boxers that's under. They said, Ben, hold your gas. I need to clench my ass. Wish I could, but it's too late because that shit already passed.